Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to insert symbol in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, all we have to do is set a scenario for our example. Right now, I have the sales sheet of each and every individual within my group. Now, a question here where it's asking if a certain sale has met the $600 threshold or quota. Okay, so an easy way to do this is to compare the value in the total column and indicate whether it passes or fails within this column. Now, I'm thinking of inserting symbols for this one. We can either insert X or check whether they meet the quota or not. To insert a symbol, all you have to do is go to the Insert tab on the top left portion of Excel. Then, go to the rightmost part and select the symbol under Symbols group. Once you're here, we can pretty much find what we need by scrolling manually, or we can set a subset for our needs. But an easier way, for example, since we're going for the check and X mark, we should just go to Font, scroll all the way down to the letter W, and go to Wingdings. Now Wingdings is usually the font to go to whenever you need a symbol. Here, you can see all sorts of shapes and sizes, and images basically. And there we go, we found what we need. Now, let's go ahead and click on the check sign and press Insert. As you can see, it appears on this bottom part, and it also appears on the cell we selected before going to symbol. Now, let's close that. Let's select a new cell, go to symbol, and click on the X mark this time. Insert, and there we go. Now that we have symbols, let's just properly orient them to the center, and there we go. Now, we can just copy-paste wherever we want. For example, we need values higher than 600. So, let's leave a check mark then. This one also meets our quota. Let's just clean up our data real quick. And there we go. Now that we've done that, let's do the same for the other one. Let's copy the X mark and paste it anywhere we like. Let's paste it for values that are lower than 600. And by cleaning the data real quick, we now have our desired result. We can also change the color of these symbols. Since checkmark is usually indicated by green, let's go ahead and change the color by going to the font color icon, pressing the down arrow, and selecting green. We can do the same for the other checkmark. And for the X, let's use red this time. And there we have it. This is how we insert symbols in Microsoft Excel.